If you've been waiting for Samsung's budget 5G smartphone, we've got great news for you. The company is all set to launch another new phone under its A-series lineup, the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G, the successor to the Galaxy A16. This phone promises amazing features at an affordable price, and guess what? The specs have already leaked before the official launch. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the fully leaked features, price, and launch date of this exciting smartphone. So let's get started. Features of Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Samsung's latest budget beast comes with a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus LCD display, featuring a 90 Hz refresh rate, and 240 Hz touch sampling rate, for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. With a 90.6% screen-to-body ratio, you get an immersive viewing experience. Plus, it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and includes an in-display fingerprint sensor for added security. Camera setup. On the back, you'll find a triple camera setup led by a 50-megapixel primary shooter, along with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro sensor. For selfie lovers, there's a 32-megapixel front camera, perfect for crisp, high-quality selfies and video calls. Processor and performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy A17 5G is expected to pack Samsung's Exynos 1380 chipset, delivering smooth performance for gaming and multitasking. It'll run on the latest Android 15, with One UI 6.1, ensuring a fast and user-friendly experience. Battery and charging. Powering the phone is a massive 5000 mAh battery, supported by 25-watt fast charging, via a USB Type-C port. Say goodbye to frequent charging. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? The base variant is expected to start at around $200, making it a killer deal for a 5G phone. As for the launch date, Samsung is likely to unveil it by the end of this year.